Say welcome to Beta Day 12. Today's topic is finish this sentence, keep calm, and I want to say keep calm and eat candy because I love candy. What? Elijah says, what was that? Elijah says, say keep calm and drool on. What are you doing? Nobody wants to see the inside of your mouth. So, that's our beta for the day. Keep calm and eat candy. And keep calm and drool on. We'll see you tomorrow for Beta Day 13. Say bye-bye. Aw, you're so cute. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses? No? Okay, bye.